Today, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released new guidelines for reopening schools. It comes as President Biden attempts to make good on his promise to help more schools open during his first 100 days in office. In this learning curve report, News 8's Shannon Handy has more on those guidelines, as well as why some say it's too soon to think about going back to in-person learning.
Carlo, the CDC released this 30-plus page report to help school leaders decide how to bring kids safely back to school and keep them there. Now, CDC officials are not mandating schools reopen. They're simply offering a roadmap. And this comes as Governor Newsom releases an interactive map of California showing where our local districts stand now.
The newly released CDC report indicates in-person schooling can resume safely using 5 key mitigation strategies. Among them, masks, social distancing, hand washing, as well as cleaning and maintaining facilities. The report also notes that while the vaccination of teachers is important, it shouldn't be required to reopen. In regards to how community spread plays a role, the report included this color-coded tier system. Blue zones have low transmission and can open for full in-person learning. Yellow is moderate transmission, but those schools can also stay open. Orange means substantial transmission, and schools should switch to hybrid learning and reduce attendance. And red means middle and high schools should switch to virtual learning if there's no regular testing. Based on San Diego's current case rate, we fall in the yellow tier.
I'm scared for my children. I'm scared for my family. And I'm also scared for the teachers and their family.
During a news conference organized by the California Teachers Association Friday, parents from around the state expressed concerns about allowing children back inside the classroom.
We know that this virus really floats in the air like smoke, and that you can put plexiglass and you can do all of this, but really this is a difficult virus to contend with in a classroom setting.
Meanwhile, Governor Newsom unveiled a new interactive map showing where each district stands and how much COVID funding they've received from the state. San Diego Unified, for example, has distance learning only with some exceptions for the neediest kids. They've received more than $246 million. San Diego Unified School Board President Richard Barrera says while they'll be analyzing the CDC report, the district has already implemented several of the mitigation strategies in it in hopes of offering families the option to return perhaps within the next few months.
And so if the case rates continue to decline at their current rate, and we've got our educators vaccinated, we are optimistic that we will be able to bring more students back even this spring. And we're very confident that, we'll be able to reopen our schools in the fall.
If you'd like to take a look at these CDC guidelines or that interactive California map, we have a link on our website. Just go to cbs8.com, click on the Help button.